Hi kids, how are you? Today we are going to learn alphabets A to I. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay, let's introduce some color pencils. These are all the color pencils. Okay, by using color pencils, draw the alphabets. Okay, yellow color, ash color, black color, thick blue color, thick green color, brown color, sky blue color, pink color, light green color, red color, orange color, and violet color. Okay, by using the color pencils, draw the alphabets. Okay, thick blue color, A, thick blue color, A for apple. Okay, and orange color, A, orange color, A, thick green color, B, thick green color, B for ball. Pink color, B, pink color, B. Light green color, C for cat, C. Red color, C. Ash color, D for dog, thick. Brown color, D. Yellow color, E for egg. Sky blue color, E, sky blue color, E. Black color, F for flag. And finally violet color, F, violet color. Red color, G for gun. Pink color, G, pink color, G. Thick blue color, H for hat, H for hat. Orange color, H. Light green color, I, light green color, I for ink. Pink color, I. Okay, these are all the alphabets with the color pencils. Okay, so let's write a words. A for apple, A for apple. Next, B for ball. Okay, C for cat. D for dog. E for egg. F for flag. G for gun. H for hat. I for ink. Okay, let's spell the words. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for egg, F for flag, G for gun, H for hat, I for ink. Bye kids.